Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to make sea moss gel, also known as Irish sea moss, two different ways. It is an incredible superfood with a wide range of health benefits and endless use. So let's go make our gel. Here are 2 packets of sea moss, and you want to clean the sea moss and remove any sea debris, dirt or particles. Alright, I'm gonna wash them for about 4 to 5 times to remove the excess salt from the sea moss, and once it's done washing it would look like this. Place it into a large bowl with filtered water and make sure all parts of the sea moss is covered, and then you want to cover it and allow it to sit on your countertop for about 12 to 48 hours. I soak mine for 24 hours. You do not have to place it in the refrigerator, that's alright. Leave it right on the countertop, as I said. Nothing is going to go wrong with it. Right? Just let it take its time and soak, guys, because you want to make sure that it's well done. And remember, once it is done soaking, it will have expanded as it has absorbed the water. So at this stage, it is now ready to use. But what I'm going to do is give it one more rinse, because as you can see, the water is still a little cloudy there. Now that it's done, I'm going to do the blending method. Add it into your blender with some filtered water and blend until it is smooth. Once it is done blending and it is smooth and nice, you can place it into an airtight container. I would suggest a mason jar at this time for the raw sea moss, alright? Make sure you place it into a glass container and pop it into the refrigerator. Or you can also place it into a pot and boil it until the sea moss melts down into gel. Just like this. Once I do this method, I'm going to use a plastic container. Why? Because I'm going to freeze it. And once you place it into the container, you want it to be completely cool, guys. So yes, you can use it into your smoothies, into your oatmeals, your dessert, your soups. You can also make some amazing face and hair masks with this, guys. Look at this, all melted and done. And it's that simple, guys. So be sure to use it up in all fashion, okay? It is very nutritious, has a lot of health benefits, and there you go. We have our sea moss gel in 2 ways. So give it a try. Use it up, leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and don't you forget to like, subscribe and share my video. I'll see you soon.